Hello and welcome to Travels for Shane and Matt. We're currently in a superior or deluxe room at the Clayton Hotel, Manchester Airport. We're in room 690 and this will be a quick room tour. So as you come in, you've got a little wardrobe space with iron and ironing board and place to store your suitcases. You've got lots of drawers and cupboards, nice big TV, tea, coffee, 4 mugs, loads of space, lights, 2 double beds. So we haven't decided if we're going to share tonight or have a bed each and treat ourselves. Don't know if we can see the view. Let's have a look. That's the view. And then as you come over here, you've got the... I assume that's the heating. Yep, that's the heating and the aircon. And then the bathroom, which is nice and clean. You've got the Anya products. Decent sized bath. Some Anya hair and body wash. And toilet. The bed's very comfortable, so we're looking forward to sleeping in here. And that's our room, right at the end of the corridor. So click like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next hotel or cruise ship cabin tour.